Hi, hello all. Welcome back to another video. Today in this video, as many people have requested me to make a video on luggage, what should we carry when we are going to Mysore. So I'm making this video for them. So those who are watching me for the first time, I'm Rahul Dasari. I work in Infosys as a specialist programmer and I'm a content creator. So let's not make further delay. Let's directly jump into the video right now. Before jumping into the clothing, I'll tell you what is allowed and what is not allowed when you are in Mysore. Like what kind of things are restricted and what kind of things are allowed in the Mysore campus. So let's have a look into that. Allowed category are business formals are allowed, like shirts, trousers, formal shoes, and all. And casual outfits are allowed, like jeans, collared t-shirts, or shirts. And closed shoes, like shoes are mandatory when it comes to men and women. It's not mandatory, but preferably shoes are like they say shoes are preferred for both men and women in the campus premises. So, formal dresses and salwar suits for women. And coming to what are not allowed in Mysore campus, like shorts are not allowed, and gym wear, track pants, and other things are not allowed. And slippers and open footwear are not allowed for men. Any clothing that violates professional norms are also not allowed. Why this is because, like, coming to shoes and all, there are many reasons, because the campus is huge. There are a lot of trees and all, so there are probability of getting into some trouble or problems. So that's the reason they tell preferably the shoe. Coming to professional attire and all, it's a huge campus, right? When it comes to it's a corporate campus, so they prefer to make people make the employees look professional in the professional attires. So whatever, like footwear and all, if you get any footwear such as flip flop or slides or that kind of things, it is only allowed inside your rooms, maybe in ECC and during your breakfast times and all. It's not allowed after the premises of ECCs and all. And shorts are strictly restricted. So if you get something, like if you get shorts and all, you can wear them inside your ECCs. Apart from that, it's not allowed. Let's first look into the clothing. So what kind of clothing should you carry when you're going to Infosys Mysore campus? Let's list them out one after other. Essential clothing will be like you can carry a formal dresses, like formal attires, 3 to 4 pairs of formal attires, as well as 4 to 5 pairs of casual attires, because it's kind of mixed. You seem to have a mixed weather conditions in Infosys Mysore camp, like Infosys Mysore. So this is the reason to carry different kinds of outfits and different kind of things. Apart from this, my personal advice is carry, like if you feel cold in like little, if you have some cold kind of issues and all, or else if your body is like little more responsive to cold and all, my preferable suggestion is to carry a hoodie or a sweater kind of things, because Mysore, the weather fluctuates all the time. It will be raining at a time, and then it starts becoming sunny, and it feels like cold in the evenings and all. So preferably try to carry all kind of like the outfits or the attires which suits all kind of weather conditions, like a mediocre kind of weather condition. So this is one thing I can tell you. Apart from that, normally you can carry a one pair of formal shoes, one pair of casual shoes. If you are someone who is preferred to do gym and all, you can carry your gym wear and all. It's only allowed till gym premises. Like if you go to gym, only for that premises you will be allowed in your gym attire and all. Apart from that, you won't be allowed to wear that kind of dresses and all. Let's see what kind of personal care and other essentials you should be carrying while you're going to Infosys Mysore. The personal care and other essentials will be like normal shampoos, body wash, face wash, moisturizers, and toothbrush, toothpaste. These are common things which will you be carrying while you're going to Mysore. Apart from that, it's like advised to carry a basic first aid kind of things, which might not be useful, but it's preferably carried. So apart from that, you can also carry like basic medicines for cold, fever, and all. Because Mysore weather is like little different. If you go to Mysore, like even I got fever initial day, so I have tablets and all. It's easy for me. Like I took tablets for 2 days, it's gone. So your body should adjust for that climatic condition, because you come from different parts of the country. Their weather conditions are different, and coming to Mysore, its weather condition is different. Your body takes little time to adjust for that weather condition. After that, you can carry your deodorants, some other things as well, as part of your maybe you can carry your skincare essential, as well as for men you can carry your grooming essentials and other things. When we come to electronics and other things, you can carry your earphones, headphones, your mobile charger, as well as you can carry a power bank, like if your battery condition is not that good. And if you carry, like you can carry a charger, there are a lot of charging ports inside your training rooms as well. There's no need of power bank, but preferable if you go out in Mysore, maybe power bank will be useful for you. If you carry, it's preferably good for you to carry. And you can carry some like 1 to 2 books, or else a pen and a diary. That's because initial day you won't be given directly the welcome kit. It takes 1 to 2 days to give you welcome kit, which will be having one diary as well as one pen in that. So preferred is you carry a notebook to note down things which are taught you like as part of onboarding and all. So apart from that, you can carry you can carry some snacks, homemade snacks and all. And other electronic items are strictly prohibited inside the campus. If you have any doubts regarding like if something which should be carried inside the campus or not, you can comment down below. I'll be answering in the comment section. Apart from that, there is one thing I should tell you to make you note of, like plastic, reusable plastic covers and all are allowed, but single time use plastic covers or polythene covers are not allowed. If you are carrying something in polythene covers and all, make sure that you preferably avoid that and carry in paper bags or normal jute bags kind of thing, because Mysore campus is plastic free campus. So that's the reason they won't allow you to carry polythene covers and other things. So this one thing you should make note of when you're carrying something related to plastic and all. Think twice when you're carrying. Apart from that, you can ask me regarding should we carry like a pillow, blanket, or some other things. No. Infosys accommodation like facilities team will provide you like mostly like towel and a bed sheet, as well as a blanket, as well as a pillow and all. So they will be changing frequently. They will be changing, like housekeeping team will be handling all the other things. So don't worry regarding that. One more thing I can tell you is don't carry like excess amount of luggage, because there is laundry inside the campus. You can go to laundry to wash your like clothes and dry them. Like you can go frequently to that laundry. So carrying excess amount of luggage is little risky when you travel on a flight, or else even if you're traveling by bus and all. It's like heavy luggage will be a chaotic situation. So carry minimal luggage, like which will last for 7 to 10 days of your clothing and other needs. So this is one thing you should make note of. One other thing I want to tell you is, see, if something is not allowed inside the campus, if security tells you it's not allowed, you can't take it in. So don't argue with them, because it comes against your professional norms. Infosys never ever tolerate such kind of things. So if something is not allowed, if security teams tells that this is not allowed, just keep it there itself and deposit and go. If some food items are not allowed and other things are not allowed, make sure that like you'll get an joining guidelines mail before you join Infosys Mysore training. Like before your training starts, before you get an onboarding mail, you'll get a joining preparatory guide, like joining guidelines mail. In that everything will be clearly mentioned. If you have any other doubts regarding that and all, you can comment down. So that's it for this video, guys. If you have like if I missed out something, you can ask me in the comment section. And if you have any other queries related to Infosys, if you want some video from me, from my side, you can ask me in the comment section. Follow me on Instagram. I'll be sharing quick updates regarding Infosys training and other stuff. So that's it for this video, guys. See you in another video. Bye bye.